Watch and listen carefully. Have your notebook and a pen ready to take notes. Later, you'll complete a writing activity comparing this to the passage you read in the previous activity. Bobby was convinced that physical health was more important than mental health. He believed that taking care of the body was essential because without it, nothing else mattered. Being physically fit allowed him to feel energetic and engaged, enabling him to enjoy sports and time with friends without fatigue. Bobby also noted that good physical health often led to a better mindset and positivity. Regular exercise made him feel happier and more confident, acting as a natural mood booster. He thought that while mental health was important, it was influenced by one's physical condition. To Bobby, prioritizing physical health was essential for leading a fulfilling life and achieving overall well-being. Prepare for your writing task. Summarize the key points from the video and discuss how they contrast with or challenge the main ideas presented in the reading from the previous activity.